What's going on, guys? It's Corb here for AcousticWorld.net, and I just wanted to drop a really quick video for you. And this one is going to be the first thing I recommend new guitarists learn on the guitar. But even if you're an experienced guitarist, I think you'll get some value from this video, especially if you've been feeling stalled or maybe unmotivated lately. But my number one recommendation for people new to the guitar is to learn songs and learn solos. Basically, just learn what originally drew you to music and to the guitar in the first place. So, whether that's a specific album or the style of a specific player or a specific guitar solo, even, I would keep that in the forefront of your mind and in the forefront of what you're practicing toward, because that is going to help keep you motivated. So, because when I first started playing guitar, even when I was getting guitar lessons, I found it really hard to stay motivated, and at one point I even quit for probably a couple of years when I first started playing. I took lessons for maybe my first year of learning the instrument, and then I put the guitar down for maybe at least 2 to 3 years. But the reason for that is because when people start, there's this tendency to just learn like the most basic rudimentary things of all time, which is like row, row, row your boat, or just really easy songs that the person isn't even necessarily interested in, like Amazing Grace, which is a great song, but if you don't like that kind of music, it's not gonna make you interested in playing the guitar. So that's what I would emphasize, is no matter what style of guitar playing you're interested in or who you like to listen to, there is a way to learn that and get started in that, even if you're an absolute beginner. And so that's what I would recommend you do. Don't start out just like by learning to read music or by learning to play Amazing Grace or all these things that you're not interested in, because you're just gonna lose interest and maybe move away from the instrument. So that's what happens. Or you get the other extreme, which some guitar teachers are kind of guilty of, in my experience, where um, I don't know, if someone new to the instrument starts out with them and the first thing they learn is like tons of music theory, how to read music, like all this intricate technique stuff. And there's a place for that stuff, especially for like picking technique and rhythm and how you strum and how you position your hand and body and arm on the instrument. Like all of that is important to learn at some point. Um, but if that's all you teach someone for the first like 2 or 3 months that they're playing the instrument, is like all of this boring like rudimentary stuff, then it's basically inevitable that they're gonna lose interest in the instrument because it's super boring. So, it, you know, it's important to get a foundational understanding of technique and maybe even of music theory. But even then, a lot of that stuff can be learned and comes as a result of learning the songs that you like and the music that you like. So that's my number one tip for you guys, is just start out by diving into the stuff that you're super interested in playing. Don't let anyone tell you that, no, you have to wait a year before you can play this style of music, because first you have to learn how to pick eighth notes and do alternate picking, or learn the caged system before you learn how to play your favorite Cat Stevens song. Start out with the songs, bands, artists, solos, styles of music that you love, and your skills will build from there and you'll stay motivated throughout. So this is a tip I don't hear many people giving out to people new to the instrument, so I hope it provided some value to you guys. I'm going to try and do more lessons going forward on stuff I'd like to share with people. So if you're interested in seeing those, just hit the subscribe button and hit the like button and comment below to let me know what you think and if you have any other requests you'd like to learn about. So Thanks, and check me out on acousticworld.net, or wait until next week for a new video. So I'll see you then.